says it's vandalism. Somebody did this, so I'm guessing they tried to steal it. A theft recovery and vandalized with no key. So that's a gamble right there, because we might have a bad engine or transmission that we don't know about since we don't have a key. But for the right price, we can take this home and start working on it. It is the next day and I'm on my way to Copart to pay for that Nissan Kicks. It's too cold today. Here it's saying it's minus 28. I don't know why I want so many cars in this weather. I guess no one is betting on anything in this weather. No one wants to deal with this weather. And here I am. Missing door panel on the passenger side. The hood is not closing, so we probably gonna need a new lock. Not a big deal. Underneath looks okay, there is no leaks, all looks fine. The big question now, will it run, will it drive once we make that key? Let's take it home and find out. Doesn't look bad. Oh my goodness! He was about to crash it. Let's have a closer look to what we have here. We have some missing trim, but fortunately we have everything in here. Yeah, everything is in here. That's great. Even the bolts for the chairs are in here. We are getting closer to the big moment. Now we are programming the key. Let's hope everything works like it should. All right, finally we got the key and it's running. The Nissan is running. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. All right, inside the kicks. We got 72,000 on the odometer. Yes, sir. Now, the big question. Does it go into gear? Does it go into gear? All right, it's engaging. It's moving. Drive. Oh no. Oh yeah, it's moving. It's acting weird, but it's moving. It looks like we do have a running car after all. We drove the running kicks inside my parking spot underneath while my dad was removing that tag. I removed the battery so we can hook it to the charger and charge it overnight. Alright, so today I'm getting some stuff for the Nissan. I grabbed a tail light from a local junkyard. We got it for $180. I'm changing the oil, getting some oil from Costco, and some floor mats. I noticed they're missing, so we need some. And in the same time we need to save some money, so we're at Costco. Yay, look how busy it is. $40 for all weather floor mats. Don't mind if I do. Might as well just take a box of every type in here. Since we are in here, we're gonna need it at some point. Alright, we're back at the parking spot. I changed the oil since the seats are out. I'm cleaning it all from the pit here. Take a look at what I found underneath the carpet of the seat. Some coins and a pen, and on this side there are some more interesting stuff. We have a cigarette, a lighter, a pink colored pill, The hood lock. This is something I need to be fixing so the car gets inspected so I can sell it. I tried playing with the spring, but nothing is happening. I tried spraying some WD-40 lubricant. Just spray it all over, see if that's gonna help. This shift knob comes loose, and we're gonna change this as well. The climate controls, because we're gonna give it a nice cleaning. And look at this. Whenever you try to put the volume up, it's not working. The other thing is the door is not locking. So the actuator is bad. So these two things, I get it, all right? I'm not saying anything. I know what I get myself into when I buy these theft, recovery, vandalized vehicles. Like, look at this. Why would you do this? Why would you do this? But anyway, I'm happy it's small stuff like this and it's not like transmission damage or engine damage. I'm okay with this. Let's go ahead and change them. Back at the parking spot, I finally made it and got the old unit out. I found this for $80 from a local junkyard, brand new unit. So I said, what the heck, let's change it. It's gonna look better. And then let's fix the other thing, which is the door actuator. I finally got it out. Let's put the new one in and hopefully everything is gonna work like it should again. All right, just got the windshield replaced. Look at this beautiful, clean windshield. Man, I wish it stays like this. All right, here is an update. Check this out. It's working fine. I fixed it. How? I just sprayed some contact cleaner. I took this out, sprayed it, and then I rotated it just for a minute or two, and it got fixed. So this is working. This is not working. There was a clip that goes in here. I bought it for $4 from the dealership, and the door is now working. So everything is taken care of. The only thing left is the hood latch. We're gonna get that fixed and the car is gonna be ready for the salvage inspection. And that's gonna be it for today's video for the Nissan Kicks. If you like it, please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.